everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps.
Today I'm going to show you how to work a single crochet two together decrease. To do a single crochet two together, first start your first single crochet, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Right? Now we're not going to finish this single crochet. We're going to go ahead and start another one. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook instead of 2. Yarn over and pull through all 3. So what this does is it gives you the bottom of 2 separate single crochets and the top of just 1 done together. And that decreases 2 stitches into 1. If I continue, you will see how it pinches the fabric together in that spot and creates a decrease, right? There is my decrease right there. Let's see that one more time. Insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook, and then continue as normal. Now it doesn't have to be 2 stitches sitting next to each other. You can do, for example, a single crochet 2 together over these 2 stitches. So I could skip the stitch in the middle and work over these 2 stitches. So that would be pull up a loop in the first stitch that you want to use, and then pull up a loop in the second stitch that you want to use, like that, right? And then yarn over and pull 2 together, or pull through all 3, sorry. And that has single crocheted 2 stitches together with 1 skipped stitch in between. So suppose I wanted to make like a big opening, a hole for maybe some amigurumi feature or something like that. I could even single crochet this stitch and this stitch together and create this big opening right here. So it can be wherever, your first stitch and second stitch can be wherever you want them to be, but the single crochet 2 together is basically start 1 stitch, start the second stitch, and then finish the 2 of them together. So let's see it the normal way, the way it's usually done, which is in 2 adjacent stitches. Pull up a loop in the first stitch, pull up a loop in the second stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. I want to get to the end so that I can show you what it looks like at the beginning and at the end of a row. So if I'm at the end of a row, and this is how you get shaping at the side, right, is I would take these 2 and I would pull up a loop in the first one, pull up a loop in the next one, yarn over and pull through 2. And now I have brought the side of this piece in by 1 stitch. If I do another decrease on the next row, you'll see the same thing again. So there's a couple options when you're at the beginning of a row. You can do the standard single crochet together, which is yarn over and pull up 1, yarn over and pull up 1, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Or if you want something with a little bit less bulk, you can simply chain 1, skip the first stitch, and work a single crochet in the next stitch. And that gives you a little less bulk in that corner. Stick with whatever the pattern says, unless you're making up the pattern, in which case you can do whichever version makes more sense for you. So here you can see how this side has clearly shifted in by 1 stitch and then by another stitch. So that's how you do a single crochet 2 together. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.